Hey, what up? Madden Mobile Legend. I think that's what my shit's called. I don't even know. I do a little pro pack opening. I don't know, just, oh my god. Right off the back, we get a Andy Levertre. I don't fucking know. Hey, nice pull. See if we can bang out a couple bronzes or something. Oh. Go Jets. Hey, they need to play Devin Smith. If I pull Devin Smith right now, I'll quick sell my whole team. If I pull an elite in this pack, my whole team is getting quick sold. Be lucky. See, I'll hit it with quick reveal. Oh yeah, Victor Cruz, 83 wide receiver. Yep, he's getting quick sold. Yeah, nice pull. I'll just go till I feel like stopping. See if I can bang out a silver. Oh my god, that surprised me. I've always wanted a Marcus Gilbert. Fine. Honestly, my pack luck is insane. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Lorenzo Taliaferro. Ooh. What a pull. If I got two more packs. I swear. Oh my god. Last pack. If I don't bang out a damn fucking green here, I swear to fucking god, I'll fucking kill myself. I'll take a look at the bench, see if we got anything looking nice. Okay. Let's just fuck that. Ooh. 180 coins is tied at 10. His stats, I mean, fucking ridiculous. Where's that Victor Cruz? Like I said, not you, him. Honestly, these four are looking kind of nice. 730